Yes, welcome to this episode of Mommy SeaStar. Today we're going to wash potatoes and then we're going to cook them and eat them.
Mashed potatoes.
Dance, Amy, dance.
We're going to bake them, make little baked potatoes.
Hey, Danielle, look at this.
That's cute.
You get it?
Potatoes are in here. I need this one.
We're going to watch each
That's
one.
the first time she ever did that with me.
That was really good.
Like on request, you know?
Yes.
A mashed potato.
Nice. Wash each one and then put it in this bowl.
I'm gonna dump it in here.
Oh, one at a time, love. One at a time. There you go.
That's awesome, man.
I'm gonna get some. I'm just gonna.
There you go. Wash that one and then put it in the other bowl for the clean ones.
Slide.
You're doing a good job. Here, let's pour some of this water out.
I can't do that. I can't do that. I can wash them though.
Yeah. And then you put them in here. You use the sponge to wash them. Whoa, splashing. Washing, washing, washing. And then put them in here. Next, we're going to rub olive oil on them and some salt. We'll sprinkle some salt on them.
I have to wash them. Wash.
Wash. Have to wash them. Wash. Wash up all of the potatoes.
What's this one called?
A potato.
A big one.
A big potato. There's a medium potato. And this, no, it's a medium potato. Here's a small potato. A big, medium, and small.
I have to wash this one. Another big one.
That's another big one. What's this one? What size?
Then we gotta wash up. After that, I have to wash tomatoes.
What are you even saying? You're so funny.
We're gonna do this episode to Mommy SeaStar. Today we gotta wash potatoes.
That's right. We've got them almost all washed now.
Hey, put on here. Put on here.
All right, dear.
Sorry. You can do it better.
Oh, okay. It's a good idea.
Say,
Oh,
why to go right here?
okay.
Put it right there.
Okay, I'll put it right there.
I'm washing potatoes and I'm gonna do it again.
All right. What are you using to wash your potatoes?
A sponge.
Yes. How many more potatoes do we have here? Are these clean? Not yet?
No.
Oh. Gotta clean them some more. Hey, you wanna help? You wanna help wash potatoes? Yeah?
Yes, he does.
She can help with the next part. Washing potatoes, washing potatoes. Yes, indeed, yes, indeed. Washing potatoes, washing potatoes is what we need. That's what we need. Woohoo! Whoa! That's why we have this.
I have to put them
We're done washing those. Those are the clean ones.
I have to wash them.
Okay. After you're done washing them, we're gonna put olive oil on them. You wanna do that, right? We're gonna have them for dinner. Ooh, the water in the bowl. Finish washing and then we can do the next step. The next step is, yes?
Oil.
That's right, olive oil. We have our paper towels and our olive oil. Okay. More. And this is for you. You get to rub that on each one like this. Watch, watch. Take one out and rub it all over with oil. And then put it in this bowl.
Potato.
That's true.
A potato.
Rub it with oil and then put it in here. Next you put a little salt and a little pepper. And then it's ready for baking.
You want dessert or you done?
Our potatoes have been cooked.
Huh?
They're delicious. They're cooled off already.
Okay, hold on.
Hey buddy, you want a potato?
No.